Mary Jane Veloso's sibling, who tried her luck in the Desert Kingdom to eke out a decent livelihood, has given up on her dreams due to employer abuse. Still, she is headed home and will receive a second chance at life and making a living with help from the DMW, as PTV's Bien Manalo narrates in this report.
Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdaka confirmed that the sibling of Mary Jane Veloso is expected to return to the Philippines this week. She was allegedly abused by her employer in Saudi Arabia. According to Secretary Kakdaka, the agency is dealing with the complaint filed by Veloso's sibling against the employer.
And she will be home soon. Sabi namin before Christmas, pero sooner than we expected. Within this week, makakauwi na yung kapatid ni Mary Jane.
Recently, the Secretary personally visited Mary Jane's family in Nueva Ecija to deliver assistance, including financial help and grocery packs. The Secretary also promised to provide psychosocial counseling to Mary Jane's eldest child. He will also be given skills training through the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA. Meanwhile, the Veloso family thank the President for government's tireless efforts that led to the positive developments in the case.
We provided assurances of government support and assistance. We were directed by the President to continually support the family. We will definitely find ways to improve their standard of living sa bahay.
And on the expected return of Mary Jane Veloso to the country, government assistance has been assured for her and her family.
So we will work along the lines of kung paano pa kami makakatulong doon sa aspeto ng well-being and perhaps security.
As per records of the DMW, 60 Filipinos are on the death row in other countries, most of them in Malaysia and involving in illegal drugs. From PTV Manila, Bien Manalo, Balitang Pambansa.